Wow, we go inside the
Okay.
sea urchin.
What do you want?
The ay,
Mama, go to me.
You want?
wow, one shot. Short. And look.
Clownfish.
I found it.
Uy, ang stingray cute kaayo. There is a shark. Ay, pinatay mo? Lolo, look.
What's this? Want to inside?
Ang ganda. Ito pa siya.
The fire.
Wow. Kami ni siya ununan
I
ga.
put it in the fish.
A common Volcan's lionfish. Wow, look at them. Oh no, ang ganda nila. Dili si Lulu ang nakuha na ni, nalingawan ni Day. Dili akong alaga, Day. Yan, Day. Dili akong alaga ang nalingaw, ang yaya. Look at here, Lulu. Look. Oh. See? Yan, ito ba? Ah, palata. Ibis. Jam. Lolo, we can go and...
No, Mama, I'm not taking you guys.
Amazing.
You guys go inside.
Ay, dito ako sa... Ayan na siya. Hello. Lola Stingray! Ala! Wow!
Orange rocky fish.
Yeah.
Japanese. This is Japanese.
Japanese fish? What's that? It's a fish. Digiga, we see here. Okay. Wait. Lolo, daghan kay tagtulaon diri, Lolo. Look. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Wow. Tara oh. Dako kay palata.
See that turtle?
What's? It's not a turtle, Lolo. It's a big fish. So big, Lolo. Huh?
Baby fish
Baby fish?
is coming.
Oh, be hurry.
Wow.
Lola, shark.
Shark.
It's a shark. Stingray.